welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to look at mathematics paper 1 for 2023. So this is a paper that was written by GCE, that is external candidates. So we are going to answer starting from question 1 up to question 5. So this will be our part 1 of the video. So make sure that you follow through for another part. Alright, so this is our question 1 right here. Evaluate 3 squared plus 3 raised to the power of negative 1 times 2 to the power 0. So we are going to write the question 3 squared plus 3 to the power negative 1 times 2 to the power 0. So in order for you to evaluate this, what you are going to do is we are going to say 3 squared. We know that this is 3 times 3 plus, okay, so 3 to the power negative 1. We can get rid of this power, not to be a negative, but to be a positive. So I'm going to write this as 1 over 3 to the power 1. Okay, we can write that. So times 2 to the power 0, it's 1. So any number raised to the power of 0, it's a 1. Of course, it's a different issue if you have 0 to the power 0. So what you're going to do now here is 3 times 3 give you 9 plus 1 over 3, because 3 to the power 1 will get the same number 3 times 1. So here this is a fraction, not a fraction. This is just a whole number. So we can follow the rules of what? BODMAS. So we can see we have the addition sign. So multiplication sign comes first. So we write 9 plus, then 1 over 3 times 1, we get 1 over 3, like this. Then from here, we can divide this by 1. Then we find the common denominator for 1 and 3, which is a 3. So this 1 into a 3, you get a what? A 3. So 3 times 9, this will give us a 27, plus 3 into this 3, it's a 1. 1 times 1, it's a 1. So from here, we are going to have 27 plus 1. This will give us 28 over 3. Okay, so we can leave it as a mixed fraction. 3 into 28. How many times does it go there? Okay, so 3 into 28. We know that 3 into 28, it goes there many times? 9, because 3 times 9 is 27. So the remainder is a 1 over a 3. So this is our answer, 9, 1 numerator, then a 3. Okay, so we have answered our question 1. Let us now come to our question 2. So this is our question 2. Simplify. So they want us to simplify this question. So first we need to write the question. Then we see how we can simplify. So we have 2 open outside the brackets. Then we have x plus 3y in brackets minus 3. Inside the brackets we have 4x minus 2. So step 1, open the brackets. So the way you can open these brackets, you multiply with a 2 here. So 2 times x, 2x, 2 times positive 3y, positive 6y. Okay, we have opened these brackets. To open these other brackets, we are going to multiply with a number which is outside. So this number is a 3. It's having a negative. So negative 3 times 4x, this will be negative 12x. Negative times negative, positive 3 times 2, 6. So from here, you can correct the like terms. You have 2x. Its like term is negative 12x. So just write it here, negative 12x. Then plus 6y. Okay. And then plus 6. These two are not like terms. So 2x minus 12x. This will give us negative 10x plus 6y plus 6. So 2x minus 12x. This is a smaller number. This is a bigger number. That's why you're having a negative sign right here. Okay. So what we are going to do is we can leave. I think we can leave our answer right here. It's fine. you can be marked. Okay, so I can write our answer negative 10x plus 6y plus 6. We have simplified. Okay, so we now move on to another question. All right, so this is our question 3. Factorize completely 3x squared minus 27. So they want us to factorize 3x squared minus 27. So to factorize, it means you factor out the highest common factor of the numbers and the letters. So we have a 3 here, we have a 27 in terms of the numbers. We have x, here we don't have a variable. So let's find the highest common factor of 3 and 27. This is a 3, open bracket. So here, to get the numbers that will be inside the brackets, you have to start dividing each of these terms with the 3. Okay, so you have 3x squared, you divide with the 3 that you factored out. So this and this will cancel. Inside the brackets will remain with x squared minus, again you get 27 divided by a 3. This will give us a 9. So here we're going to write a 9. Okay, that is how you know what is going to remain inside the brackets. Now from here, you can see x squared. Here you have a 9. This 9 is a perfect square, so it can also be written as 3 to the power 2, because 3 to the power 2 gives us 3 times 3, which is a 9. So if I write like this, it doesn't mean that I've changed anything here. So I'll write a 3, open the brackets, x squared minus, so this 9, we write it 3 squared. So you can see we have the difference of 2 squares inside the brackets. So what you are going to do is we need to factorize using the difference of 2 squares. So I'm going to write a 3. Then from there, what you are going to do is we write open square bracket, we write x minus 3, again open bracket, x plus 3. Then you close square bracket. So this is our final answer, 3 square bracket, x minus 3, again x plus 3. You close with a square bracket. So I hope that you are following. Okay, we continue. All right, so we now come to our question 4 right here. The question reads, find the gradient of a line which passes through the points -3, -1 and 0, 3. So they want us to find the gradient. First thing, take note of the coordinates. We have -3, -1. We also have 0, 3. So let us rename our points. This is x1, this is y1, and this is x2, and this is y2. So to find the gradient, we need to come up with a formula of finding the gradient, which is m. This m stands for gradient. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So from here, where there is y2, we are going to put a 3. Where there is y1, we are going to put a -1. Where there is x2, we are going to put a 0. Where there is x1, we are going to put a -3. So we are going to substitute 3 minus. Now this y1 is having a -1, so I'll put it in brackets so that the negative is not affected. Okay, divided by the x2 is a 0 minus the x1 is -3. I also put it in brackets. So from here, we'll say 3. We open these brackets by multiplying the negative. Negative times negative, +1 over 0. Negative times negative, +3. So from here, we have 3 plus 1, it's a 4, over 0 plus 3, it's a 3. So this is our answer, or we can leave it as a mixed fraction, 3 into 4, 1, remainder 1 over a 3. So our final answer is this one, or number. Okay, this is our final answer. We now come to our last question, which is question 5, because we said we are just going to end up to question 5. So shade A union B intersection C complement on the Venn diagram in the answer space below. So this is the Venn diagram. We have A, B, C. These are the sets. So first thing, we have A union B. So let us find A union B. So in order to know what we are going to shade, I can shade directly. Now, for the sake of those who don't know, I'll introduce the numbers. I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these numbers now, they are going to help me to know which specific region we are going to shade. So let us find A union B. So A, we have the elements in A, we have 1, 2, 4, 5. This is set A. So we have 1, 2, 4, 5. Then for B, okay, so this is our set B right here. 2, 3, 5, 6. So 2, what else? 3, 5, 6. Okay, this. Now from here we can find A union B according to the question. So A union B will be equal to, so union means we combine the elements that are in A with those that are in B. So you have 1, 2, 4, 5, 2, 3, 5, 6. So you write 1, 2, you can write a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6. We have combined all these elements. So the elements that are appearing twice, don't write them twice, just write them once. So this is A union B. Then apart from this, we come up with set C. So our set C, this is our set C right here. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we are going to come up with C complement. So C complement means we get rid of the elements that are in set C. So the remaining elements, that is C complements. So we have 1, 2, 3, 8. So we write here, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 8. This is our C complement. So these elements are not here in set C. Then we answer this, what you have been given. We say therefore A union B in brackets. Then they said intersection C complement. So A union B is this. Then C complement is this. So we find now intersection of A union B and C complement. So intersection means elements that are found in A union B and C complement. We have a 1, there is a 1 here. So 1 is intersecting. A 2, there is also a 2 in C complement. We have a 3, there is also a 3. We have a 4, there's no 4 here. We have 5, there's no 5. We have 6, there's no 6. You have 8, there's no 8 here. So this is A union B intersection C complement. You have 1, 2, 3. So identify on the region where you have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the part that you are supposed to shade. Okay, so very simple and easy. Okay, so this is how you can answer. So to those who know, you can just answer direct. Now I'm showing you so that you know. So thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our session. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.